Hey beauties, I hope you're all having an amazing day. If you're new here, my name is Bella and I'm the stay-at-home mom of a sweet little 1-year-old girl named Kennedy Jade. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. Sometimes this time of year can get super overwhelming and it's really important to remember to just slow down and know that you don't have to check off everything on your list all the time. It's important to take time for yourself and your mental health. I usually share really fast, speed cleaning type of motivational videos, which I absolutely love doing. But I also think that it's really important to do some of these slow-paced, chill videos as well, because sometimes as moms, we can watch fast motivational videos, and that can totally be awesome and what we need sometimes, but sometimes we can accidentally compare ourselves to those sped-up cleaning videos. So today, I didn't want to do any type of deep cleaning on my house, but I did have some laundry I needed to fold. So I hope that you'll get yourself some tea and either do a light clean or maybe fold some laundry with me. I haven't sped up any part of this video, so this is all in real time, in my real pace, and I'm just folding laundry at my own pace. Before we get started, I have an Amazon package that I wanted to open. I got a white sweater and I absolutely love it. I actually wore it today, on the day that I'm recording this voiceover. I wore it all day and I love it so much. And I usually get most of my clothes for Amazon. That's actually where I got the shirt that I'm wearing in this video, which I also love. And if you see a shirt that I have worn in the past or am wearing and you want the link for it, I can totally try to get you that link. Just let me know. Beauties, what do you like to do to relax and express your creativity? Let our community know, because I know that your comments will help everybody out in case they're wondering if they need any type of relaxation tips. I can't even say that word, relaxation tips. I use my YouTube channel as a way to express myself and my creativity, especially this time of year with all the decorating, because as most of you know, I absolutely love decorating. But definitely let me know in the comments, because it will help everybody out and it'll help me out as well with getting some new ideas. I usually do, and maybe this is like twice a week, but I like to do an at-home spa night. So I do face masks and I use bath bombs, and that always makes me feel super relaxed, and I totally recommend that if you're feeling stressed. I don't know if you guys have a Lush store in your town, but that's where I usually pick up most of my bath bombs, because I love how they're completely cruelty-free, so absolutely no animal testing at all. And I don't think I've ever said this on my channel before, but I'm vegetarian and I just love animals and life and nature, so cruelty-free is super important and close to my heart. I know I'm going a little bit on a tangent here, but I feel like that's what this video is all about. We're just doing some laundry and chatting, and I'm looking forward to chatting in the comments after this video, because you guys know this, I've said this a million times, but you guys are the best, the absolute best, my beauties, Bella's beauties. I've seen a couple people say recently, and I just absolutely love that, because that's what you all are. So I've been totally calling you Bella's beauties to my family and friends, and it just makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. But truly, thank you so much for all the support lately. I've been a little sick, as most of you know, and I really appreciate all of the sweet comments that have come in, hoping that I feel better. Thank you so much. I am feeling better now. I've seen just so much growth on this channel recently, and I'm so appreciative for it. And if you haven't joined our community yet, but you want to, just remember that you can hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications and leave a comment even. Just chat with some of the other beauties here because everybody is just so sweet. And I know that they'll just be so happy to welcome you to our community. I know this time of year can be really difficult for people with seasonal depression, so if you need a prayer request or just someone to talk to, reach out, we got you. And if you're somebody who struggles with seasonal depression, I know it's even more important for you guys to take care of yourselves. I know because one of my best friends struggles with seasonal depression and depression in general, and I'm totally not a doctor, but in my humble opinion, I think overcommitting really contributes to it because this time of year we all have a million things to do, right? And they're all great things because we get to spend time with our family and our friends and spend some extra time with our kiddos. But there's also added pressure on us as moms when it comes to making this time of year magical. And looking back now as an adult, I can honestly say that during this time of year, I couldn't tell you which presents I got which year. But I can tell you about my family vacations we took to Disneyland and how my parents always decorated our home, and me helping my mom when we would bake cookies with my grandma when she was still alive. It mainly comes down to the memories we made together and not the things that I got as a child. So make sure that you're not putting too much pressure on yourself to decorate the house from ceiling to floor if that's not something that you're able to do this year. We've all had a pretty sucky 2 years. There's been a lot on our minds, all from 2020 to now. So if you only put up a couple of things for Christmas, that is totally fine, and it doesn't make you less of a mom or a homemaker. It just means that you're human, and it's totally okay to be human and not have a full enough cup because you can't pour from an empty cup. So that's why it's important to take some of the pressure off of yourself and learn to say no, which is something that I've always struggled with my whole life. I'm the biggest people pleaser you'll ever meet, and I take on way too much, so my plate gets way too full. Then I end up not getting any of it done. And saying no is not just to other people. Sometimes we have to say no to ourselves, because I can totally think that I can do everything on my list, but then I feel terrible about myself when I don't get everything done. And sometimes you have to be a mother to yourself, just like you have to be a mother to your kids. Just like if you saw one of your kids taking on too much in school and you had to talk to them about it because they were hitting burnout. So we as moms are all in this together, and if you see a friend taking on way too much and hitting a wall, you should have a loving conversation with your friend about that too, because we are all in this together as women. I really hope you enjoyed this chill, slow-paced video. I know it's a completely different feel than most of my videos, and I hope that when you need my fast-paced videos, you'll check out my cleaning playlist that I will have linked below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember to take time for you this week because you and your mental health completely deserve it. That can be as simple as curling up on the couch with a good book or taking a drive and just blasting your favorite music. Remember that I'm always a comment or an Instagram DM away for when you're having a bad day. I love seeing your sweet comments and messages. So take time for you and make sure you let me know what you do. Bye, beauties.